Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate developer mode on your Windows 11. So the developer mode is available on a Windows 11 Pro edition. So in order to enable that, you can try to open the settings on your Windows and you can click on system. Here, try to search for developers. The settings are intended for development use only. You can click, and here you go. You can try to turn on developer mode by switch this a button. By default, the developer mode is off. So if you turn on developer mode or turning on developer mode, including installing and running ads from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to security risks or harm your device. So here, install ads from any sources including loose files if you turn on developer mode. And also you can activate device portal, turn on remote diagnostic over local area network connection, and device discovery, make your device visible to USB connection in your local network, and so on. Feel free to try to enable developer mode, activate developer mode. Thank you for watching. Forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.